Welcome. Today, we'll show you how to create 1000 YouTube Shorts using AI in under 20 minutes. Learn the secrets to producing high-performing YouTube Shorts videos using AI-powered automation in just 20 minutes. Discover how AI-driven automation can enhance your online presence and generate passive income by creating 1000 monetizable YouTube Shorts in under 20 minutes. YouTube Shorts offer high engagement, increased visibility through YouTube's push, and lucrative monetization opportunities for creators. Start by crafting a detailed prompt for your Shorts video script, provide contextual details, and review and refine the generated script to align with your vision. Upload your scripts to Canva, access the bulk create feature, customize video designs, and generate videos in bulk to save time and effort. Connect your YouTube account to make.com, set up an upload scenario, customize upload settings, and schedule automated uploads to streamline your workflow. Experiment with different styles, optimize video metadata, and analyze video performance to maximize the success of your Shorts content. AI automation offers efficiency, scalability, increased monetization opportunities, flexibility, and a competitive advantage for content creators. By automating the creation and uploading of 1000 Shorts in under 20 minutes, you can engage more deeply with your audience and develop compelling content.